Well, it's starting to rain, so I gotta start wrapping this up, but here I have it plugged in again. Yeah, better look at some of the things in here. The case completely off. These are double diode for the rectifier. I have no idea what the rest of them do. Except the CRT up here, which is looking like it's coming to life. Hopefully that's what that means. Cleaned out the hornet's nest that was in there. Looks like those two driver tubes up there are still doing fine. At least that one is. Let's see this one. And that one maybe not. What is that? Vertical? Oh yeah. All that right there is dead. Though those tubes might not be bad, the fuse is completely gone. I'll show you that in just a second. That tube's working. That tube is trying to work. It's got a little bit of life left in it, maybe. You can see a little, it's glowing a little. That one's still going. So there aren't too many bad tubes in here in reality. Shouldn't be that hard to work. Oh, look at that. That's another tube, isn't it? Or is it the big capacitor that regulates everything? But look at that. Look at that fuse. That fuse is gone. Wow. That's absolutely gone. All kinds of point-to-point construction, even though there is an early circuit board in here. One huge one, that's for sure. Now let this would go. Go something like that. Technically, this would go on first. And then have that over there, but you get the idea. And it's really too bad that it's not working. I really wanted that thing to work. That's, even though it was $10. And no, those are definitely not transistors. They're just bulbs. Those are the light bulbs actually. They're on the front here. I'm disappointed by that. That my half a century old piece of equipment doesn't work. And I paid nothing for. That's a big capacitor too. Wow, that's not just one capacitor though, that's probably a couple. All in one. That big massive black box down there, that's a big transformer I believe. With a nice oil capacitor right above it for high current applications of course. Makes you wonder what this thing did for a living when it was new. Probably radio or TV repair. Thinking about it. The nice magnetic shield is still there. Yeah, it looks like the CRT is slowly coming back up. Yeah, those two right there, those are getting extremely hot. I didn't bother to touch that one. That one right there didn't touch either. And I didn't even notice those two until just a minute ago, so. Yeah, we got nothing coming out of it. I don't even see a flyback. Could have sworn you needed one of those for CRTs to get the screen voltage up. Those are cold. Capacitor's cold. Didn't need to reform at least. Focus that picture. That one doesn't work, but it's getting real warm. And so are those two getting way hotter than they should be, I think. That's probably normal temperatures for the tubes. The tubes that are inside that box are marked on there. Wait a second, I'll go open that right about now. Remove nut on this end only. Okay. Snap it up. Remove that. Oh, really? Boo. On you go. So this is probably going to get cleaned and then probably tossed somewhere as a display piece. See if any museums want it. I doubt that. I'm sure there are more powerful or more advanced ones from the time that are probably in higher demand than this. But can't hurt to look. I'll still look for the replacement tubes though, because I want this working. I want to see it draw a line at least. Ooh, I wonder if that tube in there worked. Didn't see that before. Let's plug it in and see. Will that one come up? Hey, it's coming up. Very slowly. And there are neons in there too. Huh. You probably can't see it through the camera very well, but that tube is working on it. Oh, there's more tubes in there. I can't get the camera to, because that's too big. Scanning electron handycam. Maybe we can get it in there without blowing ourselves up. You see the tubes that are in there. Well, that's one working. I think one not so much, but one of the two comes up. At least a little bit. Looks like that one's got two filaments, actually. So our cathode ray oscillograph might not ever work. Disappointing, but hey, what can you do?